Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the junior function on the Revolut app. So first of all, here you go to the functions tab in the Revolut app, and then the third icon is the junior option. So they have a little introduction for this feature: teach kids money skills for life, the power of Revolut tailored for younger users aged from 7 to 17. Let's see. So unlock all of your junior benefits. So let's see. On your standard plan, you can get one junior account and the 160 lei monthly top-up limit. Upgrade to unlock all of junior features. What you get when you upgrade: create up to 5 junior accounts. So if you have like 5 kids, then you are covered. Free junior card with free delivery. No monthly top-up limits on junior accounts. Set up a weekly allowance. Create tasks for them to complete for extra pocket money. Create saving goals for kids to put money in and learn the value of saving. Add co-parents to join manage your kids' accounts. More exclusive features for you and for them coming soon. So based on these features, I can say that they are quite useful. For example, to create tasks for them to complete for extra pocket money sounds like quite a good idea. Like pedagogically, it 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 sounds very useful, so children can learn how to appreciate money and to to learn the feeling of working for something and earning something, not just getting it for nothing. And yeah, all the features are quite useful, so I would recommend you to use this feature. Let's see, view upgrade options. Okay, this is the metal card option. Yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, don't forget, just ask me, and consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Have a beautiful day.